Welcome to the Alsace Wine Road, a delightful journey through picturesque villages, vineyards, and historic wineries that epitomize the art and tradition of winemaking in this enchanting region. Alsace, located in the northeastern part of France, is renowned for its world-class wines and charming villages. The Alsace Wine Road, stretching over 170 kilometers, meanders through the foothills of the Vosges Mountains, offering a breathtaking landscape of rolling vineyards and quaint villages. The region is particularly famed for its white wines, with varieties like Riesling, Gewürztraminer, Pinot Gris, and Muscat stealing the limelight. These wines, known for their aromatic and nuanced flavors, perfectly reflect the unique terroir of Alsace. Your journey begins in Strasbourg, the capital of Alsace. This bustling city is a perfect blend of French and German influences, with its picturesque half-timbered houses and the stunning Strasbourg Cathedral. Enjoy a taste of Alsatian cuisine in one of the city's charming bistros before heading to the wine route. As you traverse the wine road, you'll encounter a string of charming villages, each offering a unique glimpse into Alsatian culture and winemaking traditions. Rickeweer, with its well-preserved medieval architecture and cobblestone streets, is a true gem. Wander through its narrow alleys, adorned with colorful flower boxes, and visit family-owned wineries to taste their exquisite wines. Further along the route, you'll discover Eguisheim, a village renowned for its circular layout and its association with Pope Leo IX. Explore the winding streets, marvel at the fountains and charming squares, and of course, indulge in wine tastings at the local cellars. Along the way, don't miss the opportunity to visit wineries and sample a variety of wines. The winemakers are often more than happy to share their expertise and passion for winemaking. Your journey on the Alsace Wine Road is a celebration of the art of winemaking, a tribute to the stunning landscapes, and an immersion into the rich culture of the Alsace region. As you raise a glass to the beauty of Alsace, consider the mark you will leave on the ongoing tapestry of time. What story will you tell? And how will the flavors of Alsace influence your own narrative in the grand tapestry of life?